Welcome back to the channel, y'all. In this video, we're gonna be testing out the Chemical Guys Hydro Slick. We're gonna see what this stuff will do on a light gold color paint job here. It says here ultra fast application, instant hydrophobic protection, intense ceramic hyper gloss shine. Alright, y'all know about this. Has SL2 infused technology, ceramic suspension gel. Alright, like I told you guys, seems like something you're using on your tires and interior. So we're gonna try it out on this light gold color paint here and see what it do. Now its retail price, this is like $40 at Walmart. In my opinion, it's too expensive. I'm just keeping it real. I got it on sale on Mercari for 15 bucks shipped. So I don't know what the deal is, but I know you can get it out of Walmart for 40 bucks. So that's probably the only place I know you can order it from, maybe Amazon for probably around 30 or 35, a little cheaper. But in Walmart over the counter it's 40 bucks, and Advanced Auto Parts it's 40 bucks as well. So anyway, let's go ahead and apply this stuff. We're gonna try it on a light gold color. As you all know, I did the Duragloss here that helped clean the paint and stuff with the Duragloss. I just want to see how much more gloss would I get just by using this on the light color gold paint. All right, so let's get into it, man. Like I said, you want to get that over the counter, you can get it at Walmart for $40. All right, so let's go ahead and apply it. Here we go. This is a Chemical Guys suspension gel. And I would say you want to apply it a little thick so you can almost see where it's at and all that stuff. It's a really jelly, consistent like a jello or something. Like this, watch this. That's the consistency where it comes out right there. It's like a jello. Y'all can see how it runs down like a jello or something. So let's smooth that in. Same for here. Let's move it right in there. Light and all. Let's see what we get. So it states here, you let this product haze over, then you buff it back off. I think it has a curing time. You want to let it cure for 2 to 3 hours or something like that before you introduce it to any kind of water, if I'm not mistaken. I read so many products. I think that's what this is. Yeah. It says the ceramic coating lasts up to 12 months. Give you 12 months of protection. I don't know how true that is either. Maybe normal weather it might ever. But I tell you what, spraying all-purpose cleaners on them ain't gonna last 12 months. That default the marketing really, because that's why I don't like to really do torture testings too much, because I know they false. No, I mean, who gonna literally apply this to their car and then spray Totally Awesome or Purple Power on top of it, you know? I mean, those, they pretty fun to do, but to be honest, they're not accurate, though, you know? I mean, I ain't gonna take the time to apply this to my car and then spray Purple Power on top of it, you know, and talk about how long it's gonna last. You know, if it lasts through there, it's gonna last. I don't see it that way, because it doesn't really rain Purple Power. You know, it ain't that strong when it rains. See, a normal rain is just a normal rain. It ain't like it's harsh chemicals like Purple Power. So that's what makes those tests like that false. So anyway, let's see how dry this stuff get in here. Yeah, it's pretty much it. It doesn't take long to dry. Just a few, 2-3 minutes, it's dry. Just buff it right back off and put another coat. All right, so here we go. I recommend not letting it sit too long, because it It might be harder to come off. You're gonna want to get it on off once it sit up there like a minute or two. Just take it back off. That's why I like to try it on different colors, man. More so than just doing it on 1 or 2 colors. You know, I do it on 5 or 6 different cars, you know. I know everybody ain't got the same color car. So, you know, that's how you do that. Flip my rag. There we go. Even put a shine on the light, as you can see a little. It's important when your lights and stuff shine. It just make the whole entire car look better and look different. So I'm getting some pretty good gloss out of here. Cutting it on the angle. And we'll spray this again just for fun. Spread another coat. Now, I would say this product is pretty decent, but I wouldn't jump out there and tell you to pay $40 for it. Because if it was $40, I would have left it where it was. I would never purchase it. I'm just keeping it real. I would never bought this for $40. $15? Yeah. $20? Yeah. I would have bought it for those 2 prices. Unfortunately, I got it for $15. I would have paid $20, but not a penny more. When it comes to $40, no way, Jose. I would never bought it for $40. Getting a little bit too pricey for me, especially as many products I already have. I know I don't really need it. So let's go ahead and apply another coat here. Here we go. I like to apply this in a circular motions. I just want to see what it do on a light gold color. It applies on very easy. I don't see how anyone can say it's hard to apply or whatever, because you can see where you applied it at. I mean, you just know you done this quarter pound. That's why they recommend you do a pound at a time, so you can't miss no spots getting it on or off. When you try to do too much at a time with it, it's kind of hard to see where you're at. So you know we did this whole quarter pound on this Honda Accord, so we just buffed the whole quarter pounder. And I do see a gloss coming in with this product. So I recommend don't let it sit no longer than 2 minutes if you use it. If you let it sit in longer than 2 minutes, it get kind of hard coming off. So you want to look out for that too as well. You don't want to let it sit too long. All right, so I just applied it, and I'm gonna go ahead on and buff it back off immediately. It's already starting to haze. See, about 2 minutes, 1 to 2 minutes, this stuff is pretty much ready to come off because it dries up super fast. So let's get it. Go and buff that jank back off. You can see the awesome gloss coming into the paint on this Honda Accord. All right. All right. This stuff is really slick though, putting it up here and getting it back off. Real slick, I can tell you guys that right now. And you can see the gloss. This car's been sitting, but you still can see the gloss coming into the paint. That goes to show I like working on old stuff. Those new cars ain't nothing you can do to it. It's new. What can I do to it? You know, nothing. But washing and shining tires is about it. So, not a lot you can do. For the older car, you can really show results. So anyway, there you have it, man. Looks good on that gold paint. The shine is coming back. Look at the gloss. in here. So yeah, it works. Looks good on gold paint. So yeah, man. Until next time, hit that subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on the next video. I'm out. Peace.